Hello friends, welcome in this video. In this video, I am going to tell you how to create links in the master sheet links because we have the master sheet link matrix company production details. So this is the company detail and here are so many sheets in this workbook. So I want to quickly access some important sheets quickly. So I want to create a link. So first of all, I will type here like I want to create click here for EMP salary, employee salary. So this is the sheet name that I want to access quickly. The next sheet that I want to access, which is the product detail, and next sheet that I want to access order detail for order detail. Now click on the first cell, for, then go to the insert tab. Here we find the link. Otherwise, you can right click and find the link. So I will click here, then click the link option. Go to the place in this document. Then you will see the cell reference and the text that will display for quick link. That is click here for the employee salary. Then select the employee and press OK. Again, I will create the link. Right click, link, place in the document, product detail, then press OK. So this is very simple trick that will help you create and quickly access some sheets if you want to access quickly. Now I will just click on the employee salary. So this will reach to the employee salary. Here is my master sheet. I can product detail. So this is very interesting. Now order detail. So this is very simple trick that will help you access sheets in master sheets. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like video.